Put your feet to soak with these two ingredients, and watch what happens. This is what happens when you combine baking soda with milk and you place your feet. It's amazing what you can achieve in just a few minutes. If you are tired of having rough and ugly feet, then this article is for you. With this recipe you will save yourself expensive pedicures, which is equivalent to saving money but also time. And who does not like the idea of being able to get rid of the heels and rough feet and that thick skin that crowds on the soles of our feet? But for our luck there is a home remedy which will help us with this problem, all with household ingredients and a completely simple procedure. Using this method is much more practical, cheaper to prepare, and of course it is completely natural and without harmful effects to the health of your feet. This mixture is based on milk with baking soda, and is very good for our purpose. This is because the lactic acid in the milk exfoliates the layers of dry skin, so it will leave the skin on your feet bright and healthy. In this case the baking soda helps to soften the calluses and the areas of more dry skin. How are we going to do it? 1. The first thing we are going to do is look for a container, and we will throw 2 to 3 cups of hot milk, just as you can use milk powder. 2. Now, you are going to introduce your feet and let them rest for 5 minutes. 3. Pour baking soda over your feet and gently massage them. 4. Now let your feet rest in the mix for another 5 minutes. 5. Remove the feet from the mixture and with small touches dry them using a towel. And ready. Do not forget to tell us about your experience.